Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I wanted to share with you all how I changed the frontal on a wig that I bought. So unfortunately, the footage of me actually putting the new frontal on the wig, I deleted it by mistake. Unfortunately, a rookie move in my opinion of understanding my camera and the card, and unfortunately I ended up deleting that footage, but I still felt like I had enough to come on here and share it with you guys. So in the beginning of the video, you saw that the wig was a China bang wig, but that is not the style that I really wanted. So quick story, I purchased this wig from another YouTuber. It was a 24-inch wig, a body wave wig. What the person did not disclose was that she had cut into the wig. So it came to me not a full 24-inch wig as I expected. So I guess when she was styling it, she maybe tried to cut like some face framing layers in it. Unfortunately, that's not what I was expecting, but rather than me sending it back and trying to make a PayPal against this person, I understand she's, a Black-owned business. She's trying to make a living, and I know that YouTube is what she does for a living, so I declined to do that. So instead, I made it a China bang, and I liked it for a little while, but I just really wanted what I really wanted. So I end up taking a frontal that I already had laying around, and I was like, you know what? I am going to change this wig because I know I can. So what I did was I first cut all of the hair very short that was on the frontal, and then I took my clippers, my Conair clippers, and I shaved it down really low just to get all of the hair out of the way. And then I went ahead and proceeded to measure from ear to ear, and then I started to sew it down. What I found was that the frontal that I actually had was much bigger than this wig. So this wig was said to be a 13x4 frontal, but it seemed more like it was a 16x4 because it was pretty long. So on the right hand side, I ended up having to cut at least 3 inches of the frontal off and do some really detailed work to make it look like a normal frontal. And unfortunately, I couldn't get any of that on film because I had to sit down and figure out what the heck am I gonna do. So I really had to do some maneuvering on the wig, but as you can see, I was cutting off the old frontal, and I basically used that as a guide so I would know exactly where to place the new frontal and where to sew down. And so once I didn't need the guide anymore, I cut it down and I made sure that I cleaned it up really well so that there wouldn't be any like lumps and bumps in the wig when I touched it. But here it is. Beautiful. I'm so proud of the way that it came out. I've never done anything like this before, and I thought it was worth sharing. Even though I messed up and deleted some of the footage, I was like, I'm going to share it with them anyway because I know that they'll be able to understand what I did, even though they couldn't see it all. But as you can see, it looks very clean. It looks very nice. I was just admiring it like, girl, you did that. Look at that. Look at that. I actually ended up dyeing the wig jet black. So if you see over there in the corner where you see a lot of black thread over there, that is where I had to do the detail work on that side. But it looks beautiful. It fits great. And I did go ahead and dye it jet black as I stated. Let me know if you would like to see what the wig looks like now. And I hope you enjoy the video. Yes, ma'am. We did that. I am so proud of myself. Like, share, comment, subscribe.